The Mongolian sunflower is a symbol of nature's boundless creativity and our shared desire to reach ever higher. The Mongolian sunflower's unique characteristics remind us of the diversity within the sunflower family. Each variety, from the towering American giant to the resilient Mongolian, brings its own story and beauty to the world. So, whether you're drawn to the sheer size of the American giant, the historical charm of the Russian mammoth, the sturdy heights of the Mongolian, or the petite delight of the teddy bear, there's a sunflower variety waiting to bloom in your garden. Each sunflower variety, including the mighty Mongolian, invites us to grow, explore, and find joy in the simple act of turning our faces to the sun. And that, my friends, is a journey worth taking. But sunflowers aren't all about height. Let's not forget the teddy bear variety, a fluffy, cuddly counterpart that grows only about 2 to 3 feet tall. Perfect for pots and small spaces, it brings the sunflower's joy to any corner. From the giant to the petite, sunflowers show us that beauty comes in all sizes. Each variety brings its own charm and purpose, whether it's for a stunning garden display, a snack for our feathered friends, or a healthy treat for us. These sun-kissed flowers not only compete in the height department but also in color and form.